When it comes to healing from an injury or surgery, many people think they just need rest and maybe a few painkillers to get by. But did you know the food you eat can be one of the most powerful tools for speeding up your body's natural repair process? The truth is, certain foods can make a dramatic difference in how quickly and effectively your cells repair, while others might be slowing you down without you even realizing it. In today's video, we'll uncover which foods can supercharge your healing and what to avoid to promote faster cell repair. Welcome to Levitas. Whenever you experience an injury or undergo surgery, your body's cells are put under immense stress. At the site of the injury, cells are damaged or even destroyed, and your immune system kicks into high gear to start the repair process. Specialized cells rush to the area to contain any potential infection, remove damaged tissues, and clear out dead cells. Your body then enters a phase of inflammation, where blood flow increases to the damaged area to support the healing process. While inflammation may sound negative, it's actually a vital part of recovery, as it signals immune cells to arrive and begin their work. In the rebuilding phase, your body starts producing new cells to replace the damaged ones. This process requires energy and nutrients to fuel cellular activities like protein synthesis, collagen formation, and overall tissue regeneration. Cells like fibroblasts begin laying down a new matrix of collagen and other proteins to create a stronger structure, while other cells continue repairing blood vessels and nerves. This is why giving your body the right nutritional support can make a significant impact on how quickly you recover and how well your tissues repair, making nutrient-rich foods essential during healing. Hydration plays a fundamental role in your body's ability to heal. Water is involved in nearly every biochemical reaction in your body, including those necessary for cell repair and regeneration. When you're hydrated, your blood is able to carry vital oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells to the site of injury or surgery. This steady flow is essential, as these elements are the building blocks for healing damaged tissues. Additionally, water is crucial for flushing out toxins and metabolic waste that accumulate as cells break down and regenerate. Without enough water, this waste can build up, delaying the healing process. Hydration also impacts cellular function directly. Cells rely on a balance of water to maintain their structure and carry out processes efficiently. Even slight dehydration can impair the ability of cells to transport nutrients and perform tasks like protein synthesis, which is critical for tissue repair. To keep healing on track, aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and consider electrolytes if you've been experiencing fluid loss. Proper hydration ensures cells get the nutrients they need, minimizes swelling, and promotes faster recovery. Your gut health has a surprisingly large impact on your body's ability to heal. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms that play a key role in digestion and nutrient absorption. When your gut is in good health, your body can efficiently absorb nutrients needed for tissue repair, like amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. However, if the gut microbiome is out of balance due to poor diet, stress, or antibiotics, it can impair nutrient absorption, leaving your cells undernourished and slowing down recovery. Additionally, your gut has a direct line of communication with your immune system. A balanced microbiome helps modulate inflammation, which is a natural and necessary part of healing. However, an imbalanced gut can lead to chronic inflammation, complicating the healing process and extending recovery time. Probiotic-rich foods like kefir, yogurt, and fermented vegetables can promote a healthy gut environment, allowing for better nutrient uptake and a stronger immune response, both of which support faster healing. Anti-inflammatory foods can be extremely beneficial for healing. These foods help regulate your body's inflammatory response, which is critical to preventing excessive swelling and discomfort while still promoting repair. After any kind of injury, your body experiences an initial spike in inflammation to kickstart the healing process, but prolonged or chronic inflammation can actually slow down tissue repair. Anti-inflammatory foods work by providing antioxidants, polyphenols, and healthy fats that help modulate the immune system. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds are known to reduce inflammation by supporting cell membranes and influencing the production of inflammation-resolving molecules. Similarly, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory that can help alleviate pain and swelling naturally. Incorporating these foods into your diet post-injury or surgery can reduce excess inflammation, allowing for a smoother and faster healing process. Now, there are certain foods that can be detrimental to tissue repair, slowing down recovery, and even increasing the risk of complications. Processed foods high in sugar and refined grains are some of the worst offenders. These foods can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to inflammation that interferes with healing. They also provide little to no nutritional value, depriving your cells of the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they need to repair effectively. Additionally, excessive consumption of trans fats, often found in fried and fast foods, can contribute to chronic inflammation, further hindering your body's healing response. So, if you are looking to speed up healing, focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide essential building blocks for tissue repair. High-quality protein sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like lentils and beans are vital, as they deliver amino acids necessary for collagen production and cellular repair. Protein also increases muscle tissue regeneration, which is crucial for healing from surgery or injury. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Leafy greens like spinach and kale offer an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K and magnesium, which support cellular repair and reduce inflammation. Berries, particularly blueberries and raspberries, contain antioxidants like anthocyanins that neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress. Bone broth is another excellent choice as it provides collagen, which directly supports tissue integrity and joint health. Probiotic-rich foods like kefir can support gut health, ensuring that nutrients are effectively absorbed and used where needed. By combining these foods in your daily diet, you're equipping your body with the resources it needs to repair faster and more efficiently. Antioxidants are crucial compounds for protecting cells from oxidative stress, which can slow down the healing process. When your body repairs itself, it produces free radicals as byproducts. Antioxidants work to neutralize these free radicals, reducing the risk of cellular damage and helping cells focus on repairing tissues instead. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, green tea, nuts, and dark leafy greens, provide a steady supply of compounds like vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols that bolster cell integrity and support tissue regeneration. Ensuring you consume a variety of antioxidants can help speed up recovery by protecting your cells from oxidative damage. This approach to recovery emphasizes balanced nutrition, hydration, and a focus on anti-inflammatory and gut-supportive foods, all of which play essential roles in enhancing the body's natural healing abilities. In conclusion, during the healing process, your body undergoes a complex but vital sequence of events to repair tissues and restore normal function. After injury or surgery, damaged cells are quickly cleared out, while inflammation brings immune cells to the site, kickstarting repair. Though often seen as a negative, this type of inflammation is essential as it signals to your immune system that it's time to rebuild. In this rebuilding phase, your body relies heavily on energy and specific nutrients to produce new cells, proteins, and collagen that form the foundation of strong, resilient tissues. Proper hydration, gut health, and anti-inflammatory foods all play vital roles, helping cells function optimally and absorb nutrients needed for repair. While nutrient-dense anti-inflammatory foods accelerate this process, avoiding processed and high-sugar options is equally crucial, as they can trigger excessive inflammation and hinder recovery. With the right nutrients, your body becomes better equipped to repair, protect, and rebuild tissues more efficiently. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.